I'm back with controversial, popular dish in Korea since 10 months ago. Wow. Pork is not your favorite. You will change your opinion. Oh my god. The one and only main ingredient, front leg of the pork. This was 11,000 won, which is a USD nowadays. I have to send big 감사합니다 to Chef Park Chanil, Chef Jung Ho-young. They made this dish popular in this country. I'll tell you why we need this much water later. You literally boil the pork without anything, just the salt. I'm a huge fan of peppercorn, so I'm just gonna put a few. 1 tablespoon of salt. It should be like, it's pretty salty. But it shouldn't be like, oh, salty. It's salty. So this is perfect. I'm gonna cut it half. 13 minutes. We cook it short amount of time because the water will be still hot and the temperature will continuously go down and down, and in that process the pork will be slowly cooked and not fast like you grill or roast the pork. It's sort of like a sous vide method. We don't have sous vide. I don't have sous vide machine. Maybe you have one at home. Depending on how big your meat is, if it's smaller than mine, maybe 10 minutes. If it's bigger than mine, 15 minutes. I want inside of the pork to be pink. And if you use very small pot and small amount of water, then the water will cool down too quickly, and that's not enough for the pork to be cooked in the water. Turn the heat off, put the lid on. Wait for 1 hour. This hot water will do the rest. Let's make the sauce while we're waiting. Soy sauce, 1, 2, 3. Just 1 tablespoon for everything else. Chili powder, 1. Vinegar, 1. Sesame oil, 1. Sugar, 1. Of course, sesame seed. Minced garlic, 1. 1 hour is over. Ta-da! Like this. There we go. Duh. Now wait for 4 hours. See you later. 4 hours later. Very exciting. Wow. Please, one time. Make it one time, please. Not for me, for you. Cheers. We can also do just the salt. I don't like saying things like the best, the most, favorite. But you know what? This is the best dish I ever made on my channel. The best. Wow. This is even more pink. 되는 거지, 그죠?